Imagine being able to increase your sales by 20% or close deals that are 15% bigger. That's what value engineering can do for you. My name is Alex Vega. I'm a value engineering expert and your training guide. I'm here to teach you everything you need to know about value engineering and how it can help you sell more for more and smarter. Real-world examples. A study by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers found that companies that use value engineering can increase their sales by an average of 15 to 20%. Another study by the Value Engineering Institute found that companies that use value engineering can save an average of 10 to 15% on their costs. Also, a study by the Association for Manufacturing Excellence found that companies that use value engineering can improve their customer satisfaction by an average of 20 to 25%. Value engineering is a systematic process for optimizing the value of a product or service by identifying and eliminating unnecessary costs. It's a collaborative process that involves working with customers to understand their needs and challenges, and then designing solutions that deliver the maximum value for their budget. Value engineering can help you to achieve your sales and pre-sales goals in a number of ways, including increase your win rates by focusing on the value that your solution can deliver to the customer. Rather than simply the features and benefits, you can build a more compelling case and make it more difficult for the customer to say no. Expand your deal sizes. By helping customers to identify and quantify the value of your solution, you can justify a higher price tag. Improve your customer satisfaction. By delivering solutions that meet the customer's specific needs and deliver the maximum value, you can create customers who are more likely to be satisfied with their purchase and to become repeat customers. Differentiate yourself from the competition. By using a value engineering approach, you can differentiate yourself from your competitors and make it more difficult for customers to compare your solutions. In this training, you will learn 1. Identify and understand the customer's needs and value drivers. 2. Develop solutions that meet the customer's needs and deliver the maximum value. 3. Present your solution in a clear and concise way. And 4. Overcome objections and close deals. By the end of this training, you will be able to use value engineering to increase your win rates, expand your deal sizes, improve your customer satisfaction, and differentiate yourself from the competition. If you are serious about selling more for more and smarter, sign up for this training today. We are so confident that you will find this training valuable that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you are not satisfied with the training for any reason, simply contact us and we will refund your money. If you are ready to increase your sales by 20%, sign up for the training today at forrealvalue.com and start using value engineering to sell more for more and smarter.